The Ambani bomb scare case has now been handed over to the National Investigation Agency. The Maharashtra government has handed over the case to the top investigation agency. But now there seems to be a political fight brewing over it. While BJP's Devendra Fadnavis has welcomed the move, Maharashtra Home Minister said that the NIA is in a rush. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has also said that the way in which NIA has taken over this case, it seems something is suspicious in this entire matter. Let's listen in to all the reactions first.
आपल्याला सर्वांना कल्पना आहे की यापूर्वीच हा तपास आपल्या गृहमंत्र्यांनी एटीएस कडे दिलेला आहे. जर का त्या व्यतिरिक्त एनआयए कडे हा तपास घेण्याचा डाव केंद्राचा असेल म्हणजे नक्कीच ह्याच्यामध्ये काहीतरी त्यांचं काळबेर आहे आणि हे काळबेर आम्ही सुद्धा जो काही तपास करतोय त्या तपासातून आम्ही उघड केल्याशिवाय राहणार नाही. मात्र जशी ही एक चौकशी आहे त्याचप्रमाणे राज्य सरकार अत्यंत गांभीर्याने मधल्या काळात जे सिल्वासाचे खासदार मोहन डेलकर खरं म्हणजे हा सुद्धा विषय खूप गंभीर आहे पण त्याविषयी कदाचित आमच्या विरोधी पक्षाला बोलायला तोंड नाही आहे.
उसका इन्वेस्टिगेशन हमारी एटीएस कर रही थी लेकिन आज केंद्र शासन की जो संस्था है एनआईए उन्होंने वो तपास अपने तरफ लिया है. अभी ये जो केस मुकेश अंबानी साहब का जो मकान है एनटीबीआई इसका जो केस एनआईए ने लिया है उनका अधिकार है. वैसे महाराष्ट्र पुलिस एटीएस बहुत अच्छी तरीके से उसका इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रही थी. जो भी सच है वो पूरा खंगारने की पूरी कोशिश कर रही थी पर अभी एनआईए ने लिया उन्होंने जांच लेने का उनका अधिकार है. लेकिन बाकी जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन है मनसुख हिरेन का और गाड़ी जो चोरी गई थी उसका इन्वेस्टिगेशन एटीएस कर रही है.
आप लोग अगर बता रहे हैं तो हो सकता है कि वो एनआईए को गया हो. तो मेरा मानना ऐसा है कि हम तो राज्य सरकार से ये चाहते थे क्योंकि इसमें टेरर एंगल है तो टेरर एंगल के कारण वो जाना चाहिए था. अगर वो लिया होगा तो ठीक ही है.
ATS has been, taking over. ATS had taken over this case in the last couple of days. But in the 2 weeks when this incident actually happened, when the car was found outside the residence of Mukesh Ambani, since then the local police was also investigating that matter and ATS was also looking after it. But nothing concrete came out of that complete investigation. That investigation was still an ongoing process, but in the last 2 weeks nothing concrete was coming out of it, and today this case has been handed over to the NIA. But even in the past, be it the Sushant Singh Rajput case, even at that time when centers, NIA was involved in that as well. And in fact, during the Sushant Singh Rajput case also the CM had said that this is center who's trying to malign the image of Maharashtra. He repeated most of the same words where he once again said that this time also the center is trying to play games here and the center is trying to malign the image of Maharashtra. There's something suspicious in this, and the ATS is still looking over the Mansukh Hiren death case, which also is entangled with this car case. So there are 2 cases basically that the ATS was investigating. One is the bomb scare at the Antila Mukesh Ambani's residence, and the second was that car's owner Mansukh Hiren who died last week. And initially that probe was initially it was thought that it was a death by suicide, but then later the ATS has now the ATS has filed a murder case into it. So ATS is still looking after the Mansukh Hiren case, but the other case, which is the bomb scare case, that is now being transferred to the NIA, on which the CM said that this is once again the center trying to come into the state's picture and it's trying to malign the image of Maharashtra. He says that we believe in the state agency, we believe in our police, but still the center is trying to take over cases and it's trying to malign the image of Maharashtra. So definitely some politics there which was expected, because the opposition leader Devendra Fadnavis, he came out and said that we had already asked the State Department as well to transfer the case to the NIA because there was a terror angle which was involved in this, and now the opposition is welcoming the move that NIA has taken over this, but the CM and the State Home Minister has definitely not welcomed this move, and the CM in his harshest words has said that this is nothing but the center trying to malign the image of the state. So we have seen even in the past that there was a tug of war between the center and the state over transferring cases to the transferring cases of Maharashtra to center. So there was always this tug of war, and once again the CM reiterated his words.